Do your everyday money habits secretly keep you broke? Many of us follow routines that feel harmless but actually sabotage our financial growth. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 worst money habits that quietly drain your wealth. If you're ready to take control, build real financial freedom, and stop living paycheck to paycheck, start here. Number 1. Paying yourself last. A common mistake that keeps people broke is always paying themselves last. That means after rent, bills, food subscriptions, and fun, there's rarely anything left to save. It's a dangerous habit because it makes your financial future an afterthought. Instead, flip the script and pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account before spending a single dollar. Even 10% of your income saved consistently builds momentum. Prioritizing your future helps train your mind for discipline and long-term success. It's not about how much you make, it's about what you keep. Start small, stay consistent, and make your financial goals non-negotiable. When you make saving automatic, wealth becomes inevitable. Your future self will thank you. Number 2. Buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later offers can feel like a financial shortcut, but they're actually a debt trap. These services break purchases into small payments, making you feel like you're spending less. In reality, they encourage overspending and normalize debt for non-essentials. Worse, missing a payment can lead to high interest or hidden fees. Over time, this habit chips away at savings and builds financial stress. It weakens your ability to delay gratification, one of the most powerful habits for wealth building. If you can't afford it now, don't assume you'll afford it later. Financial peace doesn't come from convenience, it comes from control. Resist temptation, plan purchases, and save in advance. Debt disguised as convenience is still debt. Number 3. Living beyond your means. Trying to look wealthy often keeps people broke. Overspending to match a certain image, whether it's designer fashion, luxury cars, or constant dining out, can wreck your finances. Even small indulgences add up if they're routine. When you consistently spend more than you earn, you build a fragile lifestyle that's hard to maintain. This habit creates debt, reduces savings, and delays goals. Real wealth isn't loud. It's quiet and disciplined. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Prioritize long-term security over temporary appearances. Don't measure your success by others' standards. When you live within or below your means, you open the door to freedom and peace of mind. Wealth begins where comparison ends. Number 4. Just saving. Saving money is responsible, but relying only on saving keeps you stuck. Inflation erodes the value of cash sitting in traditional savings accounts. While it's good to have an emergency fund, true wealth comes from growth, and that means investing. Think of savings as a starting point, not the end goal. If you aren't putting money into appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses, your money isn't working for you. Avoiding investing due to fear or lack of knowledge is costly in the long run. Even small investments, done consistently, beat hoarding cash. Start learning, take calculated risks, and use your savings as a foundation. Passive growth is key to escaping the paycheck cycle. Number 5. Resetting compounding. Compound interest is one of the most powerful forces in finance, but it only works when left alone. Many people sabotage it by constantly withdrawing investments, skipping contributions, or switching strategies too often. Every interruption resets your progress and delays exponential growth. Think of it like planting a tree. Digging it up every few months kills the roots. Long-term investing in assets like retirement accounts or index funds requires patience and discipline. Wealth isn't built overnight. It compounds slowly, then suddenly. Don't panic sell during downturns or abandon your plan for trends. Let time and consistency do the heavy lifting. Stay the course, avoid emotional decisions, and trust the process. Compounding rewards the patient, not the restless. Number 6. Postponing investing. Waiting to invest is one of the costliest decisions you can make. People often think they need a large sum or perfect knowledge to start, but the biggest asset in investing is time. Even $20, 0 cents a month compounds significantly over decades. By delaying, you lose valuable years of growth. Perfectionism becomes a trap that blocks action. You don't need to master the market to begin, you need to begin. Small, consistent contributions beat large, delayed ones. Start with what you have and build the habit. The market will fluctuate, but time smooths the ride. Postponing wealth building for later is like planting a tree tomorrow instead of today. Don't wait, start now. Let your money grow. Number 7. Failing to measure. If you don't track your finances, you're flying blind. Not knowing where your money goes creates leaks that silently drain your bank account. Many avoid budgeting because it feels restrictive, but it's actually empowering. Measuring your income, expenses, and net worth gives you control and direction. Without it, you're making decisions based on assumptions, not facts. Successful people monitor their money regularly, whether it's through a spreadsheet or an app. Tracking makes you mindful and intentional. It reveals waste, exposes patterns, and motivates change. You can't improve what you don't measure. The more aware you are, the faster you grow. Don't fear the numbers. They're your guide to progress and peace. Awareness builds confidence, confidence builds wealth. Number 8. Keeping up with the Joneses. Trying to match others' lifestyles is a financial dead end. Many fall into the trap of buying things just to appear successful. Luxury cars, the latest phones, fancy vacations. Social media fuels this pressure by constantly showcasing curated highlight reels. But here's the truth: most of those Joneses are buried in debt. Real wealth doesn't need to be displayed. It's quiet, humble, and secure. Stop comparing yourself to others who may not be as rich as they look. Define success on your own terms, not through someone else's Instagram feed. Focus on long-term goals, not short-term applause. True financial freedom comes when you spend in alignment with your values, not in competition with your neighbors. Number 9. Tax inefficiency. Ignoring taxes is like ignoring a hole in your wallet. Many people lose thousands every year by not planning their finances with taxes in mind. Failing to use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks, missing deductions, or triggering unnecessary capital gains can all shrink your net income. Smart tax planning isn't about avoidance, it's about strategy. Learn how different incomes are taxed, when to sell assets, and how to legally reduce your tax bill. Even small adjustments can mean big savings over time. Consider consulting a tax advisor. It's often worth the cost. The less you pay in taxes, the more you keep. Don't wait until tax season to think about it. Optimize all year round. Number 10. Lifestyle inflation. As income rises, many people upgrade everything: cars, homes, clothes, vacations. But when expenses rise with income, savings stay flat. This habit is called lifestyle inflation, and it's a silent wealth killer. The more you earn, the more you could save. But if it all goes toward bigger bills, you're not progressing. True financial growth happens when your income rises, but your spending celebrate raises by boosting your investment contributions or paying off debt, not by increasing overhead. Keep your baseline lifestyle steady and use the surplus for freedom. It's okay to enjoy life, but moderation builds momentum. Don't let lifestyle creep consume your future. Earn more, spend less, invest smart. That's the real flex. Every financial habit you hold either builds your future or breaks it down. By replacing poor money habits with smarter choices, you take real control of your financial destiny. Start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Remember, wealth isn't luck. It's built with daily decisions. Break the cycle today and give your future the freedom it deserves. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.